You never been here yet? What, Bianca brings you down? Oh, what do you mean, no?
No, I don't want to go. So what?
You said Bianca brings you down?
Yeah. And then mommy kind of. And then mommy goes to
What? I can't hear you. Look at me when you're talking to me.
And then mommy.
I'm used to it.
Actually,
I guess she's pretty busy these days, eh?
why? I wanna.
He doesn't want to.
I wanna play.
What? You'll get to the things and then you won't want to go, so. He doesn't want to, Billy.
I like it, but I want
Yeah, it's right here.
No.